Hi everybody, for those that don't know me, my name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group. And if you're new to our channel, we always try to do a few property tours each month so you can see the inventory we have in Victoria. So for this week, we're actually going to be doing one of our listings, 991 Lawbrunner. It's an absolutely stunning West Coast home that's 3,200 square feet, 5-bed, 3-bath in the Broadmead area. Let's go take a look. So the previous owners did most of the upgrades. Our clients did a bit themselves. The biggest expense coming through the repaving of the driveway and the walkway. But as we get to this front door here, and as I begin to kick off my shoes, we're gonna see the absolutely stunning living room here. And as we turn the corner, we're gonna see how much light that living room actually gets. As we turn the corner, I'm going to take you into the main level bathroom, and it's not a powder room because they actually have that walk-in shower, but take a look at the floor. I absolutely love the herringbone design that they have chosen here. Really, really beautiful. Take a look at a little bit of storage here. Right before we walk in to the main reason why our clients bought this house and fell in love with it was just the absolutely beautiful kitchen here. I mean, look at it. They loved the bronze handles, the bronze light fixtures. Another expense that our clients did is, as I turn the corner here, as when we kick over to the right, we're gonna have a look at the cafe appliances. That's CAFE, ultra high-end, ultra luxurious appliances here. I do apologize as I forgot to get the cup and the plate out of there, but as you can see, absolutely beautiful, beautiful design. Those are the appliances that they have updated. Kick over to the dining room. That's going to lead you into one of your private patios. What I didn't mention is that this property actually sits on about 14,000 square feet, which is about 1/3 of an acre. So tons and tons of lot size there. And I mean, look at how serene and peaceful this backyard is. Another update our clients did was they put in a gas line for their barbecue out there, so you don't have to have a propane tank, you can hook right up. This is another bedroom. What our clients kind of just have is a spare area. You could call it an office. And what you might not be able to see is just on the floor there is actually the access to the crawl space. This is the other bedroom. You could refer to it as a den if you'd like, as they only have a Murphy bed in there and a dresser. And as we head into the laundry room, you can see absolutely beautiful updating here. The bench for your laundry, and they actually have heated floors. And another expense that our clients did as we get into the garage here is they actually completely redid the garage flooring as well. let's head on upstairs. A little pantry closet here, and actually those stairs, what our clients were thinking of doing was maybe putting in an elevator there, and here is the main bathroom for the upstairs. You have your partner sinks here, and you also are going to have your step-in tub / shower combo. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Let's head into the primary wing. I mean, look at that accent wall, absolutely beautiful, a lot better than just kind of your basic white wall now. And of course, they've got this absolutely stunning fireplace here. That is a natural gas fireplace. And we'll head into the walk-through closet. Here is your primary bathroom. Tons of counter space, tons of storage throughout. Of course, we have the partner sinks, and right in between there is a vanity. Now, another expense our clients did is they put in this new toilet. It's also a bidet, quite fancy if I do say so myself. And there's your large soak tub, absolutely stunning light feature above, and your walk-in shower with dual heads. All right, and that's it. Hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions about our listing in particular, or any questions regarding Victoria real estate, please do not hesitate to reach out. And again, if you did like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.